Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic updates on your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and make sure that your PS5 automatically updates automatically. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to navigate to where it says Settings. Next, you want to scroll down to where it says System. And then from here, you want to scroll to the right and then click on where it says System and then click on where it says System, Software, Update, and Settings. Now, this is the really important step, guys. You have two toggle buttons here. One says Download Update Files Automatically. So this is going to automatically download update files while your PS5 is turned on or in rest mode. So you want to make sure that this is toggled on. The second thing is install update files automatically. So what this is going to do is that it's automatically going to install update files while in rest mode, and that the installation won't start automatically while you're using the PS5. So all the games and apps you're using will be closed before installation, and unsaved game and app progress will be lost. So make sure that these two options here are toggled on, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and automatically set up updates on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.